We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods connected but no sound. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you're trying to go and listen to music or a video or whatever and you're unable to, so let's get in some fixes. So what you want to do is, first of all, we're going to perform a reset of the AirPods. So what you want to do is place them both in the case, shut the case, and you can then go and reopen it like so. Then what you need to do is go and double tap the green light like so once, double tap again, and then it should go and start flashing orange like so, and this means it's starting to go and be reset. When it's flashing white, that means it's been successfully reset. You can close them and reopen them, and then you can go and connect to them again. After you've connected to them, try playing some sound, and hopefully they'll now work. If they still don't, then what you want to try doing is updating your phone, come to your settings, and what you need to do is scroll down and find General, and you want to find Software Update. If there's an update available, you can go and click on Update Now and go and do the update. After you've updated your phone, connect to the AirPods and try playing some sound. If that still doesn't work, or if there's no update available, we want to try performing a forced restart. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button like so. Keep this held down, shortly your phone screen will go black. After that, you should go and see the Apple icon appear. The phone screen is now black, but keep on holding it down until you see the Apple icon and release. After your phone has started again, connect the AirPods and go and see if that's now solved it. Hopefully it has.